You want a new toy?
Yes.
Yes.
The boat.
What's this?
The budget. No way.
What is that?
Budget and butterfly.
It's Bone Shaker and Bone Shaker?
The budget car.
It's the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Team Bone Shaker Pit and Launch. Now you got two of them because you got, look, you can connect it to the other one you got. See?
Oh.
You can connect it to the Shark, Team Shark, and you can race each other together.
The pool.
Yeah? See there?
Nice.
You want me to open it?
What's inside?
What's inside? You know what's inside. You can see. Come here. I open it.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see how we open it.
Oh, the bag.
I don't know how to open it. I got that out. Look at that.
Look at the bone.
Oh my gosh, you got
There's another bone shaker.
bone shaker. You got 3 bone shaker now.
Oh, the bone shaker car.
And the baby bone shaker.
Yeah, it's a bone shaker car. Can I get it out? I don't know.
Okay, no, it's so big. Oh, dude.
Here.
Yeah, the car is good. Oh,
Car looks pretty cool, buddy.
It's a pit and launch.
The Bone Team Bone Shaker.
Team bone shaker, yes.
noise check. Noise check.
It works just like your other one.
Where are you gonna put the baby one? No?
Santa Claus might bring a Hot Wheels racetrack for monster trucks for Christmas.
Yeah.
Here, Mama got it.
Yes, you.
Look at, Mama got it.
Yes, you. The Hot Wheels.
Yes, that side. Put him in. It's a cool looking bone shaker. So small.
Yeah.
Oh, the ball on it.
You want to show everybody else?
Oh.
You didn't show them this one, huh? You got a small size. We'll trash it all. And you got a medium size one of these also.
I think a smaller truck car than
This is the big.
the shark or whatever.
I tell you what, let me find your shark. Here it is.
Here is. I didn't see. I see. Oh, it is.
Nice.
Oh, it is. Oh, it's. Oh, it is.
Whoops. We can put them together?
Oh, the cool.
Yeah?
No.
How do they go together? Like this?
That is
Like that? And then like this? Well, you know you're not helping very much. Silly kid. Like that?
nice.
And then we can race head to head. Your bone shaker versus my Mecha Shark.
Oh, that you all.
Who you gonna race? You got Bone Shaker right here.
Can charge it on. There. Ready. Ready. Steady. Go. You're hitting both of them.
You do yours. I'll do mine. You do yours.
Ready. Steady. Go. Shark. One. Yeah. Ready. Steady. Ready. Steady. Oh, you want it? Ready. Steady. Go.
Oh, this one you fit in it? Yeah, it fits.
Ready? Can you turn around? Then ready. Steady.
One. Ready?
Ready. Steady. Go.
You want the garbage truck? To race?
And boom, chicken.
You want Bone
Okay.
Shaker? I'll go. Okay. Head to head the way it was meant to be. Ready?
Bone shaker. You can do the smaller one too later. The small.
Ready?
Of course.
Are you in?
He's talking. Ready. Steady. Go. What? Bone shaker one? No, it's the shark one.
Oh, see? Dun, dun, dun. You're trash, Bone Shaker.
I thought, see?
Ready. You need the smaller car.
Wee.
What do you want? The back open?
I didn't say no.
Where's the chalk?
I didn't say.
Oh, it's 2 on 1.
You two need to race. Ready, steady.
The garbage truck will trash it all in. There you go. I won, Bone Shaker.
I didn't get it.
We're gonna make soup broth out of you.
Wee!
So what do you think? Pretty cool? Yeah?
Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.